My name is Anna Grimley. I am an application engineer here at SICK. I work at SICK so that I can work on all kinds of different technologies with all kinds of different customers. I'm an application engineer, so I get to work on helping customers decide if our products will work for their applications, as well as supporting them when they're commissioning and working with our products after they've been installed. So the impact I have is really supporting our customers directly and helping them use the technologies the best they can. One of my favorite projects while working here at SICK has been supporting a new product called the Trispector. The Trispector is a 3D triangulation camera. It allows us to capture 3D data. And the neat thing that I like about that product is been supporting customers like in our automotive and food and beverage and consumer goods industries and helping them deploy that product. And so getting to see that product used now throughout the country is really fun for me to see. One of my favorite perks working here at SICK, we have a lot of distributors and a lot of other coworkers from all over the country. And so that's something that I really enjoyed, is getting to interface with people all over North America, as well as my coworkers in Europe. Especially I work with a lot of coworkers in Germany and Sweden. And so getting to learn about their cultures and what they do is always kind of interesting to me.